The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Unscrew the stops to the left and pull straight out to remove them. Lower the glove box. Unclip the frame cover. Remove the filter frame by pulling outwards, and clean out any debris inside. Remove the old filter from the frame. Install your new filter into the tray, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Once installed, insert the tray into the housing and clip the housing panel back on. Partially close the glove box. Reinstall the stoppers by matching the shape and then rotating clockwise. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.